Hello, good day viewers. Into this tutorial we are going to see the general term in the expansion of x plus y raised to the power of what? Raised to the power of n. So today we shall see only this question. Find the ninth term in the expansion of what? Bracket x squared minus 2 into y squared raised to the n. So this is general term. What formula can we going to use as what? As general term of any expansion of what? Of x plus y raised to the power of what? Raised to the power of n. So you have to know that the t's of what? R plus 1 is the same thing as what? N combination r of x into n minus r y raised to the power of what? Of r. So here is the general formula of what? Of the expansion of x plus y raised to the n. So let's see how can we solve this question. So we have to first identify the value of r. We are given the 9 term. So to find the value of r, we have to say that 9 minus 1, it will give me 8. So therefore we find out what? We find out the value of what? The value of r. And we all know that the value of n, which is 12. So therefore I have to say that this will be equals to t of r plus 1, it will be equals to c combination, the combination of 12 of r, which is 8, and therefore x into what? N, which is 12 minus what? 12 minus 8, and therefore the value of y. What is the value of y? Okay, sorry, value of y, which is r raised to the power of what? R, which is the value of r, which is 8. So therefore I have to substitute the values. This will be equals to combination of 12 of 8 multiplied by this is our x, and this is the value of what? This is the value of y. So therefore root of what? X raised to the power of what? If we say 12 minus what? 12 minus 8, it will give me the value of what? The value of 4. So therefore raised to the power of 4, and therefore multiplied by the value of y minus 2 into root of what? Root of y raised to the what? Raised to the power of 8. So this is the same thing as c combination of 12 of 8 is the same thing as x raised to the half of what? Of 4. And therefore this is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 8 and what? Raised to the power of y a half of power 8. Because this power 8, it consists of any what member inside this bracket. So therefore for combination of 12 of 8, it will give me what? It will give me 495, and therefore I have the value of 4. Therefore 2 here, it will give me 2, and 2 here 1. Therefore it will be x squared, and therefore minus 2 raised to the power of 8, it will give me 256 multiplied by 256, and therefore 2 here, which is 4, 2 here 1, therefore I will have y raised to the. So if I multiplied 497 multiplied by 256, it will be equals to 126,720. It will be equals to 126,720 x squared y raised to the 4. Before then, the combination of c of 12 of 8, as I showed you in the last video on binomial, which says that combination, which is n factorial divided by what? N minus r factorial, n minus r bracket factorial into r factorial, it will be equals to value of n, which is 12, divided by what? 12 minus 8 factorial into what? Into 8 factorial. And therefore 12 factorial, it will be equals to 12 minus 8, it will give me 4. So therefore 4 factorial into 8 factorial. So this will be equals to 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10, and therefore multiplied by what? Multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 factorial divided by what? 4 factorial into 8 factorial. 8 factorial will cancel 8 factorial. So therefore if I say 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, it will give me what? 24. So therefore 4 factorial, which is 24, 4 factorial, it is 24. And therefore, if I multiply 12 times 11 times 10 times 9, it will give me 11,800 880 divided by what? 24. So therefore, it gives us 495. So therefore, this is how you can simplify what? Factorial. So this is all I have for you for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do share to your learning colleagues for them to know more about the general time in the expansion of x plus y raised to the power of n. Thank you for watching.